3, 2, 1.
Conifers are the most prevalent type of what plant group? The answer is B, gymnosperms. What is a group of cells that work together to perform a specific function called? The answer is A, tissue. What can you catch but not throw? What can you hit but not hurt? The answer is A, stick. What is the smallest even prime number? The answer is C, 6. What item helps with sharpening pencils? The answer is A, sharpener. The hoot sound is produced by which wind instrument? The answer is D, flute. What late actor April 3, 1924, July 1, 2004, born in Omaha, made his home in Tahiti? The answer is B, Marlon Brando. Which of these words were not said by Dory while she was talking in her sleep in Finding Nemo? The answer is C, P. Sherman, 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney. The Venice of the North is located along which river? The answer is C, Danube River. What year was the Whiskey Rebellion put down by George Washington's militia force? The answer is A, 1794. What instrument does Yo-Yo Ma primarily play? The answer is A, violin. In a model of a hemoglobin molecule, the purple part indicates the presence of what element? The answer is C, iron. Which ocean has the shortest coastline in the world? The answer is A, Atlantic. Who voiced Nemo's father, Marlin, in the animated film Finding Nemo? The answer is D, Albert Brooks. What is the largest bird species? The answer is A, ostrich. What is the binary number for 3? The answer is C, 110. Which of the following Weasleys from the Harry Potter series did not play Quidditch for the Gryffindor house team? The answer is D, Percy Weasley. Which planet in the solar system comes the closest to Earth? The answer is A, Venus. What is the name of the line used in topographic maps that shows different elevations? The answer is D, a contour line. The distance from Earth to the Sun is about 150 million km. What abbreviation do scientists use to describe this distance? The answer is C, astronomical unit O. If a person wanted to hunt down some deer, which of these would be the wrong place to visit? The answer is B, a no national reservation. In 1915, the great American baseball player of the 1920s, Babe Ruth, hit his first home against which team? The answer is D, the Yankees. What is the main material of a surfboard? The answer is B, fiberglass. What is the birth name of American rapper and actress Eve? The answer is A, Eve. Which art movement is associated with bright colors and geometric shapes? The answer is B, Cubism. What is the color of lit potassium? The answer is B, gold. Which galaxy appears closest to the Big Dipper? The answer is B, Triangulum. Which element has the symbol O? The answer is A, gold. What best-selling novel was written by American writer David Guterson in the early morning hours over a 10-year period? The answer is C, Snow Falling on Cedars. What instrument is associated with Bach's Brandenburg Concertos? The answer is D, harpsichord. Which is the slowest to move through water? The answer is C, robin. Who wrote The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy? The answer is A, Douglas Adams. One camera could take 350 pictures, and Bob bought 3 cameras of the same type. How many pictures could he take? The answer is B, 1,050. Which city has the most UNESCO World Heritage Sites? The answer is C, Berlin. What is the result of rounding 7.3 up to the nearest whole number? The answer is A, 6. What does Pandora open that causes all evil to come into the world? The answer is B, box. Mammalian lungs are located in what cavity, where they are surrounded and protected by the rib cage, intercostal muscles, and chest wall? The answer is D, thoracic. John Cleese co-wrote the comedy series Fawlty Towers with which other member of the cast? The answer is C, Connie Booth Polly. What kind of interactions do polar substances experience? The answer is A. Dipole-dipole interactions. Garrett collected some large rocks from a stream near his home. He measured the rocks on a balance. When he recorded the mass of the rocks, which units should Garrett use? The answer is B. Kilograms. Which organ is responsible for blood purification? The answer is C. Kidney. Which political figure was known as the Great Communicator? The answer is A. Ronald Reagan. What's always in tune but can't sing a note? The answer is B. Tuner instrument. Which of these animals might seek out the same type of food that a rabbit would? The answer is B. A cow. The San Diego Clippers, who moved to Los Angeles, California and changed their name to the Los Angeles Clippers, finished 1984 with what record? The answer is C. 31-51. Which likely changed the remains of prehistoric living things into natural gas? The answer is D. Volcanic reactions. Who has eaten the most hot peppers in 3 minutes? The answer is B. Jonathan Lee Ott. In which novel do we find Huckleberry Finn and Tom Sawyer? The answer is C. Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Which science studies animal behavior in natural habitats? The answer is B. Ethology. Which of these brands has a rabbit on its logo?